Hey guys, sorry had to leave the last portion of the video off. Had to go do a few things, so I didn't get anywhere last night really with doing the camper. Today I'm kind of going ahead and going to burst on doing the installation. I started it, but didn't pick up the camera, so maybe I should have. So that's why I stopped. Just going to insulate this bit, should I say, and then I'm going to get ahead and put the rest of the timbers in here. Just going to get the rest of the timbers in here, finish the installation here, same on the other side, and get started on the frame for the bed, because I want to kind of burst on with this and start making a bit more progress. It's not too bad enough in its progress, like for what I have in it, in between stripping it and insulating it. I probably have, I don't know, 6-7 hours altogether in it. Maybe probably about 8 hours, I don't know. It's not too bad though. It's only kind of like an hour here and there after work. The most time consumed was all the installation, the roof and everything like that. But yeah, so we'll put you down maybe for a time lapse of just instant. No, I won't put down for time lapse. I'll just update you after. Okay, right, bye. Hey guys, okay, insulated with all the wool in here. Don't know what way is better to show you. That's not my face, isn't it? Insulated all the wool in it, and there's steel there, so I got a bit stingy with the last bit of it. I was running out of it. Oh, sorry, not I was running out of it. I did run out of it. But don't worry, I'm going to insulate it with the foil. Just done the wheel well. Going to do this one now, and then I'm going to do the panels here, so I can move on then with doing the bed frame. So we'll put you down now, and I think I might do. Yeah, no, I'll leave it off time lapse. I'm going to put the camera on charge, and then I might actually throw a time lapse on for doing the bed frame, and you can watch me fuck up because I ain't the carpenter. It's going to be funny though. Sorry guys, again I forgot to pick up the camera, sorry. Just finished insulating and thermo wrapping, sorry, the back panels underneath the bed. Not the majority of them anyway. Ran out of foil. Only a little off that's left, hence it's a bit botchery here. It's nice for this, so let's just focus here. Just used full pieces all here, it's grand. This is where the bed's gone, already kind of started the frame. So basically, sorry, falling over myself. This is basically to be the bed in the back. Sorry, just had to do that because it looked off level on the camera. Yeah. So, I already made a mess up of one of the cuts. Don't know why I was cutting it 19, 80 and 30. I don't know what I seen or what I thought, but told you to be fuck ups, not carpenter. I know, simple math, simple numbers, cut them, but it doesn't happen. So, I'm going to set you down for a time lapse of me making the frame of the bed. As I don't have a bed, I have the double bed upstairs, so I'll just run up and measure that really quick. Back downstairs, kind of start doing it. I know I'm going to put an 8x4 sheet on it anyway, well, cut it down so an 8x4 sheet will fit in it. And I want to kind of put a bit of a lat up top so it'll actually stop the mattress moving. I might actually do both sides of 2B1, that'll probably be bang on. I'll use it and just put it on the side. And that'll stop the bed moving back and forth. I don't have the 8x4 sheet here. I might have it off cuts down in my own shed. I'll ply. It's not the nicest, but I can paint it. As I said, this is, probably didn't say in the other videos, but this is literally definition DIY stealth van. Was going camper, but the insurance in Ireland is weird. You can take out camper insurance, but then you have to get it signed off because this is a work van. You actually have to get it signed off as a camper van, which you think would be no problem, but no. For it to get it signed off as a camper, you actually have to have a window in the side of the van, which I don't want. So that's screwed straight away. I was debating will I put one in it, but then I found that actually you have to have an actual proper gas system, like as in gas cookers in the van. I didn't want them either because I didn't want to be like the hardship bottles and refilling and everything like that. I was literally just going to go to, we have like Halfords and Woody's is probably the same as over in the States as Lowe's and I don't know, Auto Care or something like that. Not Auto Care, Advanced Auto, sorry. Yeah, so and you can get little cookers, they're only single green cookers. They actually put like 400ml bottle of propane gas in it, and you can just cook off them. So we're not going to be doing an awful lot of cooking in the van. So I was just going to pick up one of them and throw it just in one of the drawers that I was going to be making. So like, if you just needed to cook a little bit or boil water or something like that, we could just whip out one of those, use that. I wasn't going to go through the hardship of actually doing a full kitchen in it. because it's not really going to be lived in. It's not going to be lived in. That's that. It's just going to be used for just the odd weekend. Like, so why would I go to that hardship of doing it? Because when we put the gas in here as well, we have to get them RGI certified, which is our main gas installers. They have to certify it all off, saying that all's good. And even at that, when you finish the van and you actually send off all your paperwork, as far as I know, don't hold me to this 100%, just from like literally just little bits of reading. You have to pay VRT in the van, so it's like vehicle registration tax. So once they say, yeah, that's no problem, it can be a camper van, you actually have to pay our government X amount of money to basically just hand over the last bit of paperwork to say it actually is a camper. And I think that goes off the value of what they think the van is worth. So I bought the van for €400. As I said, it's rough, but for what I was going to use it for, it didn't really matter. I'm going to probably just give the outside literally just one coat of paint. Well, 2 or 3 coats, but just a blow over, just to make it, just to clean it up a bit. New windscreen, and the outside will be grand. Mechanically, the van's actually really good. Like, it has DOE, CVRT, or MOT, or whatever you want to call it, in different countries, inspection. It has that till the end of August, start of September, so it'll do me for the summer. And then after that, then sure, probably won't even be really using it, so it's good for me for them. But gone off topic, completely off topic. Moral of the story is I'm not changing to a camper because of all that tax and everything. Oh yeah, sorry, I bought the van for 400, being a cheap conversion. But like the campers, these are Fiat Takata 2006s. I've kind of found 1 or 2, and they're going for 8,000 or 9,000. So if they're working off the value of that, like I buy the van for 400 quid. At the moment, I'm only using, well, I bought timbers and everything like that. I bought all the foil. I spent €100, 120 on all the foil insulation. Probably still have to get 1 or 2 more. No, probably 1 more for just the doors and everything like that. So like I'll be about 150 in for the foil. Kitchen counter left over, timbers left over, ply left over. As I said, in a bit of I put in stoves for me and my boss put in stoves basically, and any bits of odd jobs and everything we do as well. Like there's just everything left over, so it's either left behind or it's not going to be used. So the only thing I had to buy really is this piece of ply. I have loads of offcuts of more ply, 1/2 inch, or not, sorry, ply, MDF. I've loads more offcuts at home, so what I'll do is I'll go around and use all the offcuts for the likes of, don't know where I'm pointing, in here and in here, and I have sheets of actual ply for it to do these 2 bits. These 2 and them bits out there I bought yesterday, so I'm just going to start making the frame of the bed with that. I have to pick up another. Oh no, I said I had them down the shed maybe. Yeah, so if I have them down the shed, I'll use after the bed. So altogether, I'm hoping I have 60 euro in timbers. I have 150 in installation. The van was 400. So I'm hoping to only have another 300 or 400 into this. So I'm really hoping this van will be maximum with all tongue groove and everything like that. I still have to get the skylights. Yes, I know I filed the ceiling, inside the ceiling, before I put the skylights in. I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking start from the top, work them right down, because I didn't want to put foil in the bottom, walk all over the foil while I was doing the sides and the top. Wasn't thinking. As I said, this is pure learning curve. Never built one, never done anything like this. And you know yourself, when you live in it for a while, you're going to say, I should have done it this way, or should have done it that way. But we'll see how it goes. But altogether, I'm hoping the van's going to be just about 1,200 in, and if it is, it's going to be a very cheap getaway vehicle for the weekends. So yeah, I'm going to set you up a bit of a time lapse here. Sorry for shiting on here. Cut up the bed frames and everything like that and get that bit done, and I'll stop it in a little bit. Okay, right, bye bye. Yeah, useless at this. Thought I hit the record button, and well, I did hit the record button. I looked at it, I didn't see record, so I hit it again, but obviously I hit it too quick twice, so I didn't record it. As I told you, I made 2 fuck-ups cutting it. Don't ask me why. It's supposed to be 1930 the length of it, and sorry, I'm picking glue off my arm. 1930 was supposed to be the length of it, and I cut them 1830 thinking of the bed being 1850 or something like that, so don't ask me why. I just have weird measurements in my head. But yeah, so bed from here to here is 1350, which is grand, so, but that's another 50mm past this, so what I'll do is I'll put a piece on the outside, the piece that I cut wrong, and actually, don't know, pointing this myself, should be now. The piece I cut wrong should actually work out good for that. I was 100mm off, so kind of 50 both sides, so it works good. Then the sheet is 48 inches. which is 1220 mil, 1225, 1220. So I'll bring a measure from the back piece, measuring the back piece here, over to here, which is 1220 on the centre line here. So that means the sheet will come on, it'll sit there, and the other sheet then will sit. It's fucking strap. The other sheet will. The other sheet will sit then out to about here. When I measure 1350 to overall, what I'll do is I'll put a little spacer like this again, and maybe another one right across, or I might just double up completely and just put two on it. Put to be supported then. This bit out here will be supported then because there's going to be legs going straight down, both sides, and then there's going to be legs in the centre. These are just thrown in anywhere, so don't look at them being off. Going to be legs in the centre, probably two, one here and one here for the storage boxes to go on. There's going to be big enough space, like. So it's not too. I think it's 2 foot or something like that. The space is going to be big enough. Yeah, it'll be sturdy when it's done. Lots of space. So yeah, battery's dying, so I'm just going to stick it on charge and I'll update you and get another video. Hey guys, done as much as I could kind of tonight. Ran out of a 3.5 and no more installation, and yeah, I just kind of don't really know. I might go out again tomorrow night. Going to a car show tomorrow in Gorey, Wells House in Wexford. Big classic car show, so have to kind of go home and get the car cleaned. So yeah, I'll give you a quick little walk around. No, I won't even give you a walk around, I'll just show you kind of now. Here's the bed frame I kind of made. So dead center of the timbers is the main supports for it. You know what, I'll just let me clean up in here and I'll show you everything I've done.